If your heart feels heavy right now, if you've been crying in silence, if someone you trusted broke you, then this message is not a coincidence. God wanted you to hear this today. Hi everyone. Today's story is something very personal to me, something that completely changed how I see life, belief, and the power of manifestation. There was a time when I felt completely broken, not physically, but emotionally, smiling outside, but hurting deeply inside. Maybe you feel the same right now. And if you do, I want you to know something very important. God has not abandoned you. Sometimes God allows heartbreak, not to destroy you, but to redirect you. You thought that person was your forever, but God saw what you couldn't see: the lies, the betrayal, the pain that was coming. So He removed them. And yes, it hurts, because you loved deeply, you cared genuinely. But listen carefully. You didn't lose love, you lost an illusion. And what God removes, He always replaces with something better. Right now, you may feel empty, confused, lost, but this is not your ending. This is your transformation phase. God is healing parts of you that you didn't even know were broken. Every tear you cried was seen. Every silent prayer was heard. And at this very moment, God is working behind the scenes. Now, I want you to pause for a moment. Take a deep breath and say this prayer with me, slowly, with faith. Dear God, my heart feels heavy, and I don't understand why this happened. I gave my love, my trust, my everything, and now I feel broken. God, please heal me. Remove this pain from my heart. Remove the memories that hurt me, and give me peace in my soul. Replace my tears with strength. Replace my fear with faith. Help me understand that what I lost was not meant for me. God, I trust you, even when I don't see the way. Guide me, protect me, and lead me to the love I truly deserve. Restore my heart and make me stronger than before. Amen. If you truly felt this prayer, something has already started changing inside you. That heaviness, that pain, it's slowly leaving you. Because when you give your pain to God, He gives you peace in return. Remember this always. The same God who removed that person from your life is preparing someone better for you. Someone who will not break you, but value you. Not hurt you, but heal you. If you believe God is healing you right now, comment Amen below. And don't forget to like this video, because someone else out there needs this message just like you did. And subscribe for more daily messages from God.